Hey everyone, Kensurfs here. We're in the shave den and it's time for another shave. Well, it's Saturday. Man, I was up at 5:30 a.m. I had to go out to my sportsman's club, and you have to, in order to remain a member, you have to volunteer for like 2 hours of cleanup at least once a year. And I was out there this morning, got out there bright and early in the 86-degree heat, and spent 2 hours out there doing cleanup. And I shout out to my friend Tom. He was out there. He's a big wet shaver, and I brought some wet shaving stuff for him, and he got, he was telling me about his wet shaving experience. It was great. So we got a chance to talk wet shaving and to do our part in order to remain members of the club. And his son was out there too, and his son's in law enforcement. Thank you very much for what you do. I appreciate it. All right, well, today we're gonna do a shave with a shave soap and scent that comes out today, actually. It is called Lost Souls, and it is an homage to Pour Homme from these gentlemen. And it's one of the classic scents, and it actually smells good. I'm gonna say this smells good, but here's the but. The Extrait de Parfum smells tenfold better. You know, soap is soap, but cologne, man, that's the stuff that you're gonna be smelling later. You're not gonna be really smelling the soap. So anything, thought I dropped something down there. But I'm going to be doing a shave with these today. Also, I'm going to be using the Semogue brush. I'm going to put this, in fact, into the crystal skull right now and let it start soaking. And one of the viewers who's a new to wet shaving, and he says that of all the things he uses the Wilkinson Sword Classic. He bought one of these, and he says it's his daily driver. He just changes the blades. It's just no issue. So he asked, hey, have you done a shave with one of these before? And I have. It's been a while. It's definitely been a while. But I'm going to be incorporating this into the shave today. And this was bought from Amazon. I think it was like $8 or $6, $7. It wasn't so bad. So we're gonna use this today with the Wilkinson sword blade. In fact, I got my tiny scissors here. Let's open this up right now and get it ready. I am still falling asleep. Oh man, some house phone's ringing. Hang on a second. 2 dogs in the house and the phone ringing and the mailman arriving. All at the same time. All right, so let's see if I can open this up here. Did I cut it far enough back? I did not. Let's try that again. I usually would do this off camera, but I'm hanging out with you guys. Hope all is well. All right. I miss the cool paper boxes or the presentation boxes that DE razors used to come in. Okay, here we go. Now, I forgot how this, oh yeah, I think the top, does it snap off? Does it twist off? Yes, it twists. I think it twists. Yes, it does. It twists off. See, I wasn't going to break this. I was going to snap it. Plastic, but we don't know how long it'll last. All right, the blades that come with it. Here they are. And by the way, it's not a bad choice for a DE razor. I just, if you're serious about it, the gent who commented, plastic's gonna last so long, but if you get yourself a nice metal one, you might notice a little more longevity. Okay, there we go. Got that in there. Put that in there. Start tightening. Well, it looks lined up. And of course, there's no overhang. There you go. Kind of reminds me a little bit of the sensor. See? I think this is metal. Yeah, metal. And I've got to pop a new blade in that. All right. Okay, so Lost Souls smells good, real good. That Smells excellent. So this is being released today. It's for sale on their site, 10 a.m. this morning, Eastern time. It went on sale. I just picked it up yesterday. Pete from Hendrix Classics sent it to me and said, I know it's short notice, can you give it a try? And I need a shave anyway. And I probably got sunblock on me. Like I said, I was lathered up with sunblock while out there in the 86-degree sun for 2 hours. Okay, let's get the shave started. Welcome. Welcome, welcome. Right there in the container. It's getting thicker, it's getting thicker. But I kind of like it a little thin. Just my preference. You've heard me say it many times. Everybody has their own preferences. Got bit by a mosquito last night, son of a gun. With the heat comes the mosquitoes. Yeah, very slick soap. They have another release they sent me, and that's not going to be out till the end of the month, and I don't want to. And I've also got a new soap from PAA that just arrived, but it doesn't get released till next week. So I like to release my videos at least around the time that the items go on sale, so they're not sold out, or at least you guys have a chance. And I've got links. I've got links to all of the products used in this video today in the description of this video, except this. I bought that on eBay. Well, the blade's doing the work, but it doesn't feel like it's the sharpest out there. But it's doing the work. And for the gent that commented on this razor, you don't have to use the blades. They're blades. You can use any blades you want. I wonder if a feather in here or a persona might change the feel. Feels a little better now that I've got the shave underway. And if you guys use this, have you used it? I really like to hear the comments. Probably a great travel razor if they confiscate it. You guys ready for Mother's Day? Got your gift for your wife or your mom or your kids? You got it for your mom? She will remember. Dude, I went all out this time. We're going out to dinner. Got her a nice gift. I can't say what it is because she watches the channel, but it's some high-end cologne or ladies perfume. And instead of going into Bloomingdale's or Macy's or somewhere to buy it, I went into the store that the brand is. Gucci. And I bought the cologne there. Okay. All right, I take it back. The blade did pretty good. It just felt like it was just not slicing like a hot knife through butter. Don't really need a second pass. But then again, I wouldn't get a chance to talk to you. My wife's out right now with my daughter, doing some day before Mother's Day stuff, because my daughter has to go to her mother-in-law's tomorrow too. And kind of split it between two moms. I know how that goes. Oh yeah, that blade, okay. I stand corrected. My blade did pretty good. It just felt kind of weird at first. A little tuggy, not now. With a D blade, I found sometimes that the second shave is smoother than the first shave. Go figure. Oh, I did get a couple of nicks there. I knew this blade was tugging a bit. I knew it was tugging. The soap is slick. Razor seems cool. Blades, not so much. All right. Yeah, I got soap everywhere. All right. Now this is not aftershave. This is parfum, so it's not going to take a lot. So actually, I wonder if I should, I'm debating whether to put a little Nivea on there and then hit it. No, we'll just go with this. A couple of small nicks. It's not going to be a problem. All right, here we go. Let me make sure I get, there we go. Burn, but, oh man. Very nice scent. Very, very nice scent. There we go. Lost Souls. This would be a handy little travel one too. Might have to drop that into my travel shave. Oh, and I will be doing a travel shave in next week sometime. I've got a cool travel kit I'm bringing. I don't know if I've ever used it on camera before. It looks like it's right out of a James Bond movie. I'll have to show you that next week when I do the shave, when I go up north. Leaving the rest of the family here, just going up with the wife and father-in-law, leaving my son and everybody here. So it's going to be a nice couple of day getaway, and I'm going to use that travel kit. All right. Well, thank you very much for tuning in. Thank you for watching. I look forward to seeing you all again very, very soon on the next installment of the Kensurfs channel. All right, everybody. Bye for now.